Podcasting can be such a great way to get your name out there and to really connect with the consumers that you want to work with. But did you also know that it can be fabulous for your SEO, your website SEO, but as long as you do it properly? Hey, you guys, Caitlin Strempel here from Rising Ranks Digital, and today I'm going to give you a little tip for all you podcasters out there to get an extra boost of traffic to your website and in turn increase your rank on Google. Okay. So, biggest mistake I see is when people put all the goods out into the show notes. They go and they'll put all the links, all the information, everything. What you want to do is you want to give a great overview of what you're going to be talking about, and you want to give a little hook and make sure that you are directing people to your website. You will have a page for every single podcast, and you will have the full breakdown of all the information, the timestamps, the transcription. That's a really great one to have. And also list out all of the products that you mentioned in there, your guests and their freebies and anything else, any resource that you have. Now, what this does is it gets people off of the podcasting website and onto your website. And you can do a few different things. So first, Google is going to see this. They're going to see this bump and increase in traffic, and they're really going to like that, especially if these people are staying on there, really staying engaged. Probably also want to have, maybe a video view while you are podcasting so they can, watch you as well. But another great thing too is that a lot of podcasters use it to, especially they ramp up when they are about to have a launch or there's an event coming or they want to release something new into the world. They usually ramp up they get more into their podcasting. So if that's you, then this is great too. And especially if you won't run ads. So if you can get your people to your website, not only does it create a really great social signal for your SEO, which increases the rank and drives more traffic there and all that great stuff, but you can also put a pixel on there and retarget these people and show them ads, retargeting ads, anywhere you run ads, whether it be YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and you are automatically now running ads to these really hot, warm leads because you know that their website, you know that they are ready to learn more from you because they actually went to your website. Retargeting ads, by the way, so much more effective. So they cost so much less than real just awareness ads. And they just drive more money. So not only do you make more money and increase your SEO, you just drive more people to your website and it's just all good. All right, you guys, if you found this helpful, leave a comment, show me some love, give this a share, and I will chat with you soon.